today's challenge after this weekend of adventure of fixing, but at least my fever broke, so I think we possibly got a bad water pump, and we've been all here sitting bullshitting and debating. We think this last one we put in 4 or 5 years ago we got out of this one, so it's not something I am looking forward to because it's a pain in the ass to get in there. I gotta take all this comes off. It all comes off. So I'm gonna probably see how far I can get out of it today and maybe finish it tomorrow. But I need the truck for work, and I gotta work tonight, so I possibly take the Toad to work tonight. I got a little job. But that's the challenges that we face. Cool? Alright. Just double checking. On the 6.0s, there's always a fear of the heads going, the gasket going. But doesn't appear as that. And then I'm checking the T-tap. That's nice and dry. My upper radiator hose right here is showing some water, looks like rust. Rusty water has been hitting it, so that means it's probably coming right in here above the belt, or around the belt, and the water pump is right there. And on top, I see no signs of moisture coming from anywhere above the pump, which is a good sign. Alright, now we gotta get down and see the pump. All this has to come off.
Fun.
This, the fan clutch, all this has to come off. So I'm gonna start taking stuff apart. We'll pick you up when we got a little stuff apart. I don't know if I was gonna do this as a tutorial video. It's kind of just something we're up to video. Maybe I don't know. We'll film what we can film. Okay, try to give you something to watch. Or is it gonna take forever for me to do this job if I try to do a tutorial and I don't have forever? Okay, I'm after it, guys. Looks like it's moving. Oh, it broke off. I can't use that trick. Got 2 bolts on the floor.
Alright.
There she comes. That trick was good. Thank you, Diesel Tech Ron. He has since passed away a few years back. This is the guy I've been watching for a long time when I do my work on my truck. His name was Diesel Tech Ron. And he lived, I believe, in Hemet, California. And I think he got in a car wreck and was deceased, passed away, killed, unfortunately. Very good tech. If it wasn't for Diesel Tech Ron, I wouldn't know how to do half this stuff. Even that he's deceased, I still watch his videos. Oh, come on. Why are you two fighting me so bad? Okay, let's try this. All together now, both of you. Okay. Now we got some room in here. The water's coming down here. So that says, from everything that I can see, water pump. And old Dave next door told me, buy a new belt, too. So, when I get this off, get the water pump off, go purchase a new water pump, I'm going to be buying a new belt. Oh, yeah, it looks like I could use a new belt, maybe. Kinda. I don't remember this one. I thought I did this one not too long ago. Oh, well, we'll see how it goes. All right. Catch you when I get something else. And there's that old water pump we did 3 or 4 years ago. And lo and behold, it's leaking on the bottom. So, off she comes. Fun, fun, fun. Sunday fun day.